Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muaz Ahmed, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate the simulation of backlights of car with the four functionalities: emergency, braking, and two turn signals left and right. The required task is to design a circuit to control the rear lights of the car. The inputs we have to give to the controller are left turn, right turn, emergency, brake, and blinker. And we are required to get two output signals, left turn and right turn. The conditions we are required to follow are: the brake overrides the emergency signal, means that at the time when brake is applied, lights will be constant instead of blinking, which is the scenario if the emergency light is on. Means if emergency is on, then both the left and right turn signals will be constantly blinking, but if the brake is applied at the same time, then both of them will be static instead of blinking. The second condition is that left turn and right turn both overrides the brake signal. Means that when the brake is applied, we know that both lights will be static. But when a turn signal will be applied, like if we want to turn on the left turn signal, then the left turn signal will change from being static to constantly blinking. Same is the case with right turn. Now, coming to the protest simulation, you can see that I have used two separate muxes for each of the left turn and right turn signals. This one is for left turn signal and this one is for right turn signal. And here you can see my inputs, which are blink, left turn, brake, emergency, and right turn. So now from condition we know that in case of emergency both of these lights will be blinking. So if I turn on the emergency, I can see that both of the left and right turn signals are constantly blinking. The second condition was that brake overrides the emergency. So if I apply the brake here, I can see that both of these lights have changed from being flashy to being static. The other condition was that left turn and right turn, both of the turn signals override the brake signal. Means that, so if I change either of them, then the respective turn signal light will change from being static to being flashy. So if I turn on this right here, and I can see that the right light is still static, but the left light has changed from being static to constantly flashing. So now if I change it back to 0 and turn on the right turn, I can see that now the right turn signal is flashing, but left one is static now. So that's it from this video. I hope you learned something valuable. Thank you.